This is my contemplation of the worldviews found in the original preface of Rudolf Steiner's philosophy of freedom called The Goal of Knowledge. The materialists stick to what makes a crude impression on them. They are on the outer path to truth. To advance from this state requires looking for truth inwardly. The materialist, who is influenced by the outer truths of groupthink and so forth, will lack serious conviction when pressed and will be unable to defend his positions. The spiritist, who becomes absorbed in spiritual theory, will be baffled by a world full of riddles and will lack success in life. Rather than merely seeking ancient lofty truths, abstract spiritual theory needs to be translated into the practical world to empower real-life goals. The realist needs truth to be simple so it can be fully understood. When truth is fully understood with our whole personality, the realist can fully live that truth in the world. The idealist wants to see progress. Academic ideas of the past are not suitable to lead us into a new world. To avoid being lost in idealistic utopias, the idealist needs to look to his own experience to remain grounded, and from there advance in knowledge. The clear thinking of the mathematist can bring an expectation that others can see truth just as clearly, but each of us have our own needs for knowledge that we fulfill in our own way. Others need to be encouraged to discipline their thinking rather than trying to force them to understand. The rationalist draws their ideas from the world, so they can be drawn into the trendy ideas of the day and make rational arguments to defend them. This is why truth needs always to be central, rather than just trying to prove or disprove popular ideas. Psychism looks to the being who has the ideas. This being can't experience truth without soaring into the realm of concepts. The Eastern paths of yesterday don't prepare your thinking for today's path of development. In our age of the science-minded, pure conceptual thinking is disciplined by entering the realm of pure thought, for example, in the study of mathematics, philosophy, or computer science. The study of the philosophy of freedom is also excellent training. I find the discussion of the formation of a thought organism very fascinating here. It relates to pneumatism, which is concerned with the unity of spirit. It views our content of thought as a unified spirit of knowing. Then abstract thinking becomes enlivened to produce powerful ideas that are expressed as individual spirit. The monadist builds up existence in itself by becoming an artist in the conceptual realm. This is a place for the philosopher to construct a philosophy of life, such as the philosophy of freedom. The dynamist is interested in forces behind phenomena, especially developing personality as a dynamic force. Science shows it's more than idle curiosity by working to release all human potential. The phenomenalist is interested in what appears before him as phenomena in the real world. The phenomena here are powerful ideas that drive a person. The idea could be the obsession with a goal or purpose of life. The ego has to remain strong to maintain control over powerful ideas. The sensationalist is more able to separate ideas from the sense-perceptible world and confront them to avoid becoming their slave.